Okay, after 10 days in the salt flats of Uni, like in pure reflection, clean environment, we're going to shoot tonight in the trashes. Everywhere around the city of Uni, it's pretty dirty. It's very sad, but we're going to try to do something beautiful with it, around it.
There are some really nice things about that location. Like you can see the mountains in the back. There's still like some plain in the front. So avoiding all the trash. We have a new friend.
You have a new friend?
So yeah, it's gonna be a challenge to shoot without the trash and make it look good, but I think it's gonna be fun. Biggest mud cracks ever. It's just too bad that it's so dirty.
It's a bit hard to see because I'm shooting super wide angle, but we have the beautiful mountains, and this place is 100% trashes. All around us is just full of trashes. Like it's hard to find a clean spot, and you see like there are houses right over there. The village is there, and it's even worse if you go toward the train station. Not good, really not good. It's so beautiful around here. Like,
yeah.
It's painful to see that. It was a little bit hard because of the lights of this city. Kim's face was totally orange. It was really bad, so we decided to do something a bit different. Kim did the light painting, and I was the model. As because I was wearing black clothing, the lights of the city were not as bad on me. And she made a door for me. I'm in the door of light. The door of light.
That's you.
That's me.